Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic that many of you have been asking for: how to unlock the secret to a bubble butt. If you're looking to build and sculpt your glutes, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll share some effective glute growing exercises that you can incorporate into your workouts. Get ready to work those glutes and achieve that enviable bubble butt. Let's jump right in. Before we dive into the exercises, let's talk about why glute training is essential. Strong, toned glutes not only enhance your overall physique but also provide stability and power for various movements. Plus, a well-developed bubble butt can boost your confidence and make you feel great. To achieve the bubble butt you desire, you need to target and activate your glute muscles effectively. Let's explore some key exercises that will help you achieve those glute gains. Step 1. Warm up your glute muscles. It's crucial to warm up your glute muscles before engaging in intense exercises. This helps prevent injuries and ensures that you're activating the right muscles during your workout. Exercise 1. Glute bridges. Lie on your back with your knees bent, feet flat on the floor, and arms by your sides. Push through your heels and lift your hips off the ground, squeezing your glutes at the top. Lower your hips back down and repeat for 12 to 15 repetitions, focusing on feeling the contraction in your glutes. Exercise 2. Clamshells. Lie on your side with your legs bent and stacked on top of each other. Keeping your feet together, open your top knee like a clamshell, then close it back down. Perform 12 to 15 repetitions on each side, focusing on activating your glute medius. Step 2. Glute targeting exercises. These exercises specifically target your glutes and help them grow and lift. Get ready to feel the burn. Exercise 3. Squats. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, toes slightly turned out. Lower your body by bending your knees and pushing your hips back, as if sitting into an imaginary chair. Keep your chest lifted, and make sure your knees stay in line with your toes. Push through your heels to return to the starting position. Perform 12 to 15 repetitions, focusing on activating your glutes throughout the movement. Exercise 4. Lunges. Take a step forward with your right foot and lower your body by bending both knees. Keep your front knee directly above your ankle and your back knee slightly above the ground. Push through your front heel to return to the starting position. Perform 10 to 12 repetitions on each leg, feeling the burn in your glutes. Exercise 5. Romanian deadlifts. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, holding a barbell or dumbbells in front of your thighs. Hinge at your hips, keeping your back straight, and lower the weights towards the ground. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings, then squeeze your glutes to return to the starting position. Perform 10 to 12 repetitions, focusing on engaging your glutes throughout the movement. Step 3. Glute isolation exercises. These exercises target your glutes directly, allowing you to focus solely on building and activating those muscles. Exercise 6. Hip thrusts. Sit on the ground with your back against a bench or step, knees bent, and feet flat on the floor. Place a barbell or a weighted plate across your hips. Push through your heels and lift your hips off the ground, squeezing your glutes at the top. Lower your hips back down and repeat for 12 to 15 repetitions, feeling the burn in your glutes. Exercise 7. Donkey kicks. Start on all fours, with your hands under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Keeping your knee bent, lift one leg up, extending it behind you, until your thigh is parallel to the ground. Squeeze your glutes at the top, then lower your knee back down. Perform 12 to 15 repetitions on each leg, focusing on feeling the contraction in your glutes. Step 4. Progressive overload. To continue growing your glutes, it's important to progressively challenge your muscles over time. This means gradually increasing the resistance or intensity of your exercises. Increase the weight, add resistance bands, or try more challenging variations of the exercises we've discussed. Progressively challenging your glutes will ensure that they continue to develop and become stronger. Step 5. Incorporate compound exercises. Compound exercises involve multiple muscle groups, including the glutes, which can help you maximize your results and save time during your workouts. Exercise 8. Barbell hip thrusts. Sit on the ground with your upper back against a bench and place a barbell across your hips. Bend your knees, plant your feet on the ground, and drive through your heels to lift your hips off the ground. Squeeze your glutes at the top and then lower your hips back down. Perform 10 to 12 repetitions, focusing on maintaining proper form and engaging your glutes throughout the movement. Exercise 9. Sumo deadlifts. Stand with your feet wider than shoulder width apart, toes turned out. Squat down, gripping a barbell with an overhand grip. Keep your back straight as you stand up, driving your hips forward and squeezing your glutes at the top. Lower the barbell back down, keeping your core engaged. Perform 10 to 12 repetitions, feeling the burn in your glutes and hamstrings. Step 6. Include unilateral exercises. Unilateral exercises focus on one leg at a time, helping you develop balanced strength and symmetry in your glutes. Exercise 10. Bulgarian split squats. Stand facing away from a bench or step, with one foot resting on the bench behind you. Lower your body down, bending your front knee until your thigh is parallel to the ground. Push through your front heel to stand back up. Perform 10 to 12 repetitions on each leg, focusing on activating your glutes. Exercise 11. Single leg glute bridges. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Lift one leg off the ground and push through the heel of the other foot to lift your hips off the ground. Squeeze your glutes at the top, then lower your hips back down. Perform 10 to 12 repetitions on each leg, feeling the burn in your glutes. Step 7. Allow for rest and recovery. Rest and recovery are crucial for muscle growth and development. Give your glutes time to recover between workouts to avoid overtraining and injury. Aim for at least 1 to 2 days of rest each week. Remember, building a bubble butt takes time and dedication. Consistency, proper form, and challenging your muscles with progressive overload are key factors in achieving your desired results. Don't forget to fuel your body with proper nutrition and stay hydrated throughout your fitness journey. And there you have it. More steps to help you unlock the secret to a bubble butt. By incorporating compound exercises, unilateral exercises, and allowing for rest and recovery, you'll be on your way to building strong, sculpted glutes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fitness and wellness content. Share your progress and experiences in the comments below. Thank you for joining me today. Get ready to rock that bubble butt with these additional glute growing steps. Keep pushing yourself, stay consistent, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!